I need this engine to arrive in perfect working condition ASAP. Every day a plane stays grounded, our company loses a huge amount of money.
Hey. Want to see how we assure efficiency and safety? Follow me. Cathay Expert's intelligent tool generates precise loading diagrams, which our specialists will review to ensure safe installation in the cabin, so that your shipment arrives in perfect condition.
But wouldn't this process usually take
Days? We make it happen within 3 hours.
That's brilliant.
At Cathay Cargo, we build our digital solutions for more precise shipping, now and into the future. So whatever answer you need next, we're already on it.
Cathay Cargo, we know how.